Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day. So today we will discuss tutorial question for chapter 5 trigonometric function. So for this video we will discuss question 5.2 trigonometric function, question number 3. Okay, because based on the vote, question 3 is one of the most um, selected question for us to discuss. Okay, so for number 3, the question asks you to evaluate the following reciprocal trigonometric functions by giving your answers in 4 decimal places. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand the question. So what is a reciprocal? So basically, reciprocal trigonometric function is okay. So we have a three basic one. We have a sec, and we have cosec, and we have cot. So this is what we call that as a reciprocal trigo. Okay, so now we will answer question number 1. So for question number 1, question A, we have a cosec 95 degree. Okay, so if you have a reciprocal trigo, so actually you need to change into a more specific trigo, which is where the sine, cos or tangent. So in this case, we have a cosec is 1 over sine 95. Okay, and then you just need find the value of sine 95, and then you just divide it with 1. So consider sine 95. Okay, so we need to change into acute angle. So for 95 we have a slide after 90, so we have, so our basic angle is here. Okay, therefore this is equal to sine 180 minus 95. Okay, and then we need to consider the quadrant. So this is a second quadrant. So as you have learned in the video, so we have what we call that as the sign for the quadrant. Okay, so for the first quadrant we have all. Okay, so for sine, cos and tangent we have positive value, and for the second quadrant we have sine positive, and for third quadrant we have tangent positive, and the fourth quadrant we have cos negative. Okay, or sometimes we refer that as sugar to coffee. Okay, so for the second quadrant the sign is positive, so it doesn't change anything, so we have sine 180 minus 95 is okay, we have sine 85. Okay, so if we calculate the sine 85, so you will get something like this: 0.99619466981. Okay, so this is the answer for sine 95. Then we go to the original equation. So we have this is equal to, so you just press answer on your calculator, then you will get, okay, so the answer is 1.003 Okay, the question wants in 4 decimal places. Okay, next we go to the question C. Okay, so the question C, we have got negative 245. Okay, so look at carefully on how to calculate if you have a negative angle. So first of all, we need to change into sine or cos or tangent. So in this case, we have a tangent. Cos is a 1 over tangent. And then, okay, you need to memorize. So let's say we have a sine, negative theta. And this is equal to negative sine theta. Okay, if you have sine negative theta, so this is equal to negative sine theta. If you have cos negative theta, then this is equal to cos theta, and tangent negative theta is equal to negative tangent theta. Okay, so this is very important if you have a negative angle. So in this case, we have this is equal to 1 over negative tangent 245. Okay, so now we need to find tangent 245. Okay, so we can ignore the negative first. So if we find the basic angles, so our basic angle is here. So tangent 245 is equal to tangent 245 minus 180. So you get the answer is tangent 65. And then we need to check our sign. So we have add sugar to coffee, so our tangent is positive. Okay, so you don't have to add negative. So if we calculate using a calculator, so we have tangent 65 is equal to 2.144506921. Okay, then this is equal to 1 over, so anything that we have here, we just calculate, and we don't forget to put negative. Then we have the answer is so we have a negative 0.4663. So because you want in 4 decimal places. Okay, so this is how you find the reciprocal trigonometric function. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.